Hello, everyone. If you are watching this, your channel might have been terminated or you are worried about it happening. First things first, do not panic. I know it feels overwhelming, but take a deep breath. Let us go step by step on what you need to do next. Step 1. Check your email. YouTube always sends an email explaining why a channel was terminated. So the first thing you should do is check your inbox for a message from YouTube. Terminations usually happen for a few reasons, but in this video, we are focusing on community guidelines violations. This includes things like spam, hate speech, or harassment. Step 2, do not rush, but do not wait too long. Your first instinct might be to send multiple appeals or flood YouTube with emails, but that will not help. A poorly written appeal can actually reduce your chances of getting your channel back. At the same time, do not wait too long. Step 3, how to appeal. If you believe the termination was a mistake, here is how you can appeal. First, try logging into YouTube Studio. In some cases, you may still have access. If you do, look for the termination notice and click Begin Review. Read the details carefully, then select Start Appeal. Now fill out the appeal form, enter your contact email, and write a clear, professional explanation of why you believe this was a mistake. If you cannot access YouTube Studio, you can use the official appeal form, which I have linked in the description. Step 4, best practices for your appeal. When writing your appeal, keep it short, factual, and professional. Avoid emotional pleas. Be truthful about your situation. If you believe there was a misunderstanding or mistake, explain it clearly. Do not send multiple appeals. Submitting one well-written appeal is enough. Step 5, what happens next? YouTube usually takes about 24 to 48 hours to review an appeal, but sometimes it can take longer. There are two possible outcomes. If your appeal is accepted, your channel will be restored. If it is rejected, the decision is final, and there is no option to appeal again. If your appeal is denied, you cannot create a new channel or use another account to get around the termination. YouTube does not allow that. Losing a channel is frustrating, but if it was a mistake, appealing the right way gives you the best chance of getting it back. Stay calm, follow these steps, and if you need help, my contact details are in the description. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more useful content. Stay strong, and I will see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.